In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to generate an expenses by vendor summary report efficiently. This simple guide will help you gain insights into your spending patterns and streamline your financial analysis to make more informed business decisions. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to QuickBooks at qbo.intuit.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface of QuickBooks, the handy platform that helps manage your business's finances with ease and precision. Now, let's dive deeper into the reporting features. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, you will want to direct your attention to the navigation panel on the left. Find and click on the tab labeled Reports. This section is a treasure trove of data, allowing you to explore and evaluate different aspects of your business's financial performance. By using these reports, you can track everything from revenue to expenses, all in one convenient place. Having access to the Reports section, your next step is to locate and click on Custom Reports. The Custom Reports functionality offers you a tailored view of your business's financial information. It's a fantastic tool for those who want reports that fit specific criteria or need customized layouts to fit unique business needs. Once you're in the Custom Reports section, it's time to make our selections more specific. Now, what you'll want to do is find the drop-down box in this section. When you click on it, a list of various report templates will be revealed. Each template is designed to spotlight different financial angles, providing you with the flexibility to analyze your data from whichever perspective you find most beneficial. Within the drop-down list, look for the Expenses by Vendor Summary option, and go ahead and click on it. This particular report is an invaluable tool when you are looking to get a detailed overview of how much you're spending with each vendor over a specified period. It's a great way to manage your vendor relationships and also to pinpoint any possible overspending, ensuring your expenditures align with your budget projections. And that, my friends, brings us to the conclusion of our QuickBooks guide for today. By following these simple steps, you can leverage QuickBooks' powerful capabilities to better understand your expense landscape through the Expenses by Vendor Summary report. This will equip you with the data-driven insights necessary to optimize your financial strategy and make more informed decisions for your business's growth and success. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.